Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to unbend CPU pins on any CPU with just tools at home. So what I've got here is an old Intel Pentium, so I'm not going to worry about ruining anything, but I've deliberately bent the pins on the back so I can show you this tutorial. So what I've got here is some Stanley tools, like screwdriver, and I'm just going to pick out this screwdriver I've got, which is this flathead, which will make it easier to get in between the pins right here. As you can see, this is pretty thin compared to my finger, so what you want to start off with is you want to find where your pins are, which will be pretty obvious because they will be slanted, as you can see right there. And so what you're going to do is you want to get your screwdriver and you just want to find the pins right here. So as you can see, I've got a lot of them in the front row so you can see, and I'm just gonna push them ever so slightly so they can bend back into position. And as you can see, that one's getting a little taller. You do want to make sure you don't put too much force or you will break a pin off, and then it'll be pretty much unreplaceable. So you just want to keep that in mind, and you just want to keep tinkering these around. You don't have to be super fast, you just have to, as you can see, I got that one right there. And let's get this one right here. Sorry if I start working on a pin and I skip it, it's really hard to see at the moment, so yeah, that pin's pretty straight. Let me just move that over a little bit. As you can see, I'm slowly readjusting all these pins. Now, if you're doing this with a Ryzen CPU, there's going to be more pins, so just be careful. This is an older type CPU, so it's very easy to work on because they're a lot easier to see, etc. So yeah, you just want to keep tinkering at it. As you can see, I've got one on the end right here. As you can see, the first pin. So I just want to, as you can see, I just fixed that right there. So now that's nice and straight. Let's see if I can find another one. Okay, at this end right here. As you can see, it is bent right there. So let's just straighten that up with the screwdriver. So what you want to do, get your screwdriver. Sorry if this angle is really bad, but it's kind of hard to unbend the pins and show you at the same time. But as you can see, I'm just moving it slightly with the screwdriver, and as you can see, that's now realigned and now straight. So I'm going to redo all these off camera, but I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope it gave you a little insight that you can do this at home with very minimal tools. Don't have to be an expert, so just keep it in mind, don't use magnetic screwdrivers or it will stuff up your CPU because it might cause an interference with it. So just be careful with that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of stuff, and yeah,